Let's go over a few brushing techniques just to make sure you've got it down. These will be especially helpful now that you have your braces. Position your toothbrush horizontally above your brackets on your top teeth, angled upward toward the gums. Then, brush gently in a circular motion. Put your toothbrush under your brackets now, angled down towards them. Brush in a circular motion again and make sure you get every bracket one at a time. Brush the bottoms of your brackets by placing your toothbrush under them and angling it upwards. Now, brush the inward-facing sides of your teeth. Angle your toothbrush upward toward your gums again and start at the back of your mouth, making the same circular motion. Next, brush the inside surfaces of your teeth. Put your toothbrush vertically against the backs of your front teeth and then brush up and down. Brush the biting surfaces of your teeth. Just brush back and forth across the bottoms of your teeth. After you've finished all 6 steps, rinse your mouth out with some water. Also, don't forget to repeat these steps on your bottom teeth.